Expose the role contradiction so viewers stop chasing debtor law study as creditor remedy. It's time to start breaking the code. The moment you grant them creditor status, whose laws do you think you are studying? Yours or theirs? Profess narrative. Study the laws, and you will become free and sovereign. In under 2 minutes, you will see why this loop keeps people trapped. Even while they claim creditor. Gurus call you creator, creditor, grantor. Then push debtor law study. Law language presumes a person role and trains compliance inside that role. We're breaking the code on these tactics. When you accept their posture, you feed their procedures. Timelines, filings, defaults, and enforcement pathways. So the more you study debtor law, the more you move as debtor, while thinking you're a creditor. Truth law study cannot teach identity. The governing system does not teach exits. It's about breaking the code of their system. The first move is role clarity, and then is the posture, then record, then execution from that posture. Go to lifeomnipotent.group, take the first step, go to the homepage, and tap code RED to get your orientation training today. We are breaking the code. To get notified, please subscribe.